Hello everyone, welcome to Back to Code. Today I bring you a new exciting video that will take your Unity game development skills to new heights. We're diving into the world of top YouTube channels that are in the absolute must watch for anyone looking to master Unity. So let's jump right in. Unity, one of the most popular game engines out there, has revolutionized the gaming industry. With its versatility and user-friendly interface, Unity has been the driving force behind numerous hit games like Cuphead, Genshin Impact, City Skylines, and many more. Whether you're a seasoned Unity user or just starting your game development journey, these top YouTube channels will be your ultimate guide to unlocking your full potential in Unity. First on our list is the official Unity YouTube channel. As the creators of Unity, they provide regular updates, essential tutorials, and exclusive insights from the minds behind Unity-made gamers. Dive into their Creator Spotlight series for behind-the-scenes breakdowns and learn directly from the experts. Plus, they host streams and workshops conducted by talented content creators that will supercharge your Unity skills. Next up is Brackeys, that go-to channel for all things Unity game development. Their comprehensive tutorials cover everything from programming to game design, catering to both 2D and 3D game development. What's great about Brackeys is that their videos are concise and packed with valuable information, ensuring that you won't get stuck watching lengthy tutorials. Calling all aspiring indie game developers, CodeMonkey is a professional indie game developer who shares the art of game making using C#. With practical advice and frequent updates, CodeMonkey not only teaches you the ropes but also introduces you to new tools available in the Unity Asset Store. You'll get to see all aspiring games created in Unity for that extra dose of inspiration. For a unique learning experience, Blackthorn Prod is the channel to follow. Noah Callis, the creative mind behind all of this, offers organized tutorials that cover various topics. Dive into their AI series to learn how to set up character behaviors for your game, or explore playlists on character customization and specific game types. Additionally, get an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at Noah's own game development process. Looking to create games, assets, and music all in one place? Look no further than Infansia. Stephen Pearson, the talent behind this channel, shares expertise in game development, asset creation, music production, and sound effects. Join the journey of game creation, learn asset design, animation techniques, and witness the creation of Pearson's procedural planets available on the Unity Asset Store. Attention to detail is key in game development, and that's where UGurus comes in. This channel specializes in lighting and rendering tutorials, helping you create stunning visuals in your Unity projects. Learn advanced lighting techniques, explore different rendering options, and make your projects as realistic as possible with UGurus. Last but certainly not least, we have Speed Tutor, a channel that offers quick and informative tutorials covering a wide range of topics including Unity programming, C#, JavaScript, and game design. Speed Tutor is the treasure trove of knowledge. Don't forget to check out their monthly overviews of free assets and get inspired by games and visual effects created in Unity. And there you have it, the top YouTube channels to master Unity game development. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, these channels offer a wealth of knowledge, tips, and inspiration to take your Unity skills to the next level. Make sure to explore their playlists and video libraries for a wide range of tutorials and project-based learning. Which channels are your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content. Until next time, let's get back to code.